In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save into a different file in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to create a separate version of your project without overwriting the one you're already working on, DaVinci Resolve makes that very simple. This is especially useful if you want to test changes, create a backup version, or save a new edit while keeping the original project untouched. To begin, look at the top left area of the DaVinci Resolve window. From there, click on File. This will open the main file menu where you'll find several project-related options. What you're looking for here is the Save As option. Go ahead and choose the Save As. This option is different from the normal save command. A regular save updates your current project file, but Save As lets you create a new version instead. That means your existing project stays the same, and the new one is saved separately under a different name. Once the Save As window appears, you can type in the name you want for the new project. Try to use a clear and organized name so it's easy to identify later. For example, you might include a version label, a date, or a short description of what makes this file different from the original. That can be very helpful if you end up with multiple versions of the same edit. After entering the new name, confirm the save. DaVinci Resolve will then create a new project file using that name. At this point, you'll be working in the newly saved version, while the original project remains available separately. This is a good habit whenever you're about to make major changes, experiment with a different direction, or prepare alternate edits for a client or team review. Saving into a different file gives you more flexibility and helps prevent accidental loss of earlier work. So to recap in a simple way, go to the top left, click File, choose Save As, enter a new name and save it. That's all it takes to save your work into a different file in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.